financial, and many other forms of influence. Since a long time, we need to establish effective interactions between AMU with its alumni for increasing academic standards of the university has been felt. I have little doubt that each and every student graduating from this great university feels sometimes or other the urge to pay something.
Former Vice Chancellor. Now the presentation of bouquet. ख्वातीन और हज़रात, हम अपने मेहमानों को इस्तकबाल फूलों से करते हैं और उसकी वजह यह है कि ज़िंदगी भर उन्होंने कांटों को अपना बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन टू प्रेजेंट ए बुके तो जनाब हामिद अंसारी साहब, ऑनरेबल वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, इलस्ट्रियस सन ऑफ द सॉइल. अना खान प्लीज, हरी अप. अना खान इज प्रेजेंटिंग बुके to ऑनरेबल वाइस प्रेसिडेंट जनाब हामिद. सबा अखलाक. May I now request Ms. Rizwana Khatun from Business Administration to present a bouquet to the Minister in Waiting, Janab Jaiveer Thakur. May I now request Ms. Saima Khan from Business Administration to present a bouquet to Honorable former Chief Justice of India and Chancellor of the Aligarh Muslim University, Justice A.M. Ahmadi sir. May I now request Ms. Anisa Nazir from Biotechnology to present a bouquet to a person who has dreamed this summit, Professor P.K. Abdulaziz, Vice Chancellor of the Aligarh Muslim University. It is once again my pleasant duty to request Muhammad Aslam Sahab from Kennedy Auditorium to please present a bouquet to Nawab Rahmatullah Khan Sherwani Sahab, Honorable Pro-Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University. Nawab Rahmatullah Khan Sherwani Sahab, Honorable Pro-Chancellor. May I now request Ms. Farheen Khan from Biotechnology. Please come forward and present a bouquet to Dr. Hassan Kamal, illustrious old boy from Atlanta, USA. May I now request Ms. Savita Singh from Biotechnology to welcome and present a bouquet to Dr. Masarrat Ali, distinguished old boy and President Federation of Aligarh Alumni Association, USA. I request Mr. Atiqur Rahim from Journalism to receive Engineer Nadeem Tareen Sahab from Riyadh, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, who doesn't need any introduction. May I now request Muhammad Junaid from Journalism to come forward and present a bouquet to Dr. Masood Akhtar from Medicine. Masood Akhtar from USA. May I now request Ms. Farhana Masood from Agriculture Microbiology to receive and present a bouquet to Shri Kaukab Hamid, Secretary Old Boy Association. Last but not the least, may I now request Muhammad Salman, MA Urdu student, to please present a bouquet to Professor V.K. Abdul Jalil, Registrar MA Aligarh. And now I hand over mic to the Registrar.
Now it is my great privilege to request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor P.K. Abdulaziz Sahab, to share his vision on this historic occasion.
Esteemed Sri Muhammad Hamid Ansari Sahab, His Excellency the Governor of Jharkhand, Sri Justice A.M. Ahmadi Sahab, former Chief Justice of India, different nationalities and different states of the Indian Republic, distinguished teachers of the university, deans of faculties, members of the academy, a new history became outstanding. An MOU could be quickly shaped up, and we had the good fortune universities in America. Then activity started in the Northern American states, where we had a string of alumni associations. It has given me an amazing sense of inspiration. And that's the reason that...
In addition to our distributed program, they have just now communicated that they want to present an award of recognition. Aligarh in the field of education and scientific research. His accolades in ecology, marine biology and environment in general are a great world standards. His dynamic leadership skills will help India become a leader in eco-friendly industrial development.
Thank you, sir. May I request Justice A.M. Ahmadi, Honorable Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University, to release the souvenir which marks the holding of the first World Alumni.
On the invitation of our Vice Chancellor, Professor P.K. Abdul Aziz. Today, students out of 14 were selected under that exchange program. We received about 52 applications. We selected between the University of Wisconsin and
Malik and in Ashar of Ahmad Fraz.
सही दिल के जाने के लिए रंजिशी सही दिल ही आई का सबब हम तू मुझसे
As we collectively commit to uplift AMU to the next level, God above promises us in Surah Al-Ra'd, verse 11, rough meaning, surely we will bring the change if we collectively try. We have 5 groups among us: students, faculty, non-teaching staff, AMU Old Boy, and NRI alumni. More than 1,000 students have provided their feedback, and that is study regularly. Students' commitment here, they say they will study regularly, provide mentorship to each other, provide financial support to each other, commit to the educational excellence, excellent class attendance, upliftment of AMU students. They should propose new industry-oriented courses regularly, invite students' expectations from Old Boy, regularly visit the campus and discuss problems. Thank you.
Main objectives to explore the distinctive qualities possessed by the British that made them dominate and rule the whole world. Sir Syed therefore collected as much ideas as he could from there to plant them here so as to make the graduates of Aligarh progress and glitter like all over the world. Sir Syed is not with us today, but his vision is immortal and even more. Any side effects too could be made much popular worldwide if serious and strenuous efforts are made in this direction. For this purpose, I would sincerely request the university administration to establish the income of the university by any other respectable means whatsoever. In North America and Europe, most of the universities do have such commercial links for increasing their income from there. sources.